This morning we brought the 1K out. I'm gonna try to make most of this video either fishing with the 500 or fishing with the 1K, so like light tackle. But we'll see if we can catch something this morning in the 1K. But yeah, I'll turn the camera back on if something cool happens. I got something, probably a trout. Not really fighting. Can't get away from the trout. There it goes. Oh my gosh. Good jack. Oh gosh. Ooh, man. Oh gosh. I don't know if I could stop this guy. Yeah, we got him. He's not that big. He smoked it. He's small, dude. If I hack a big one in this reel, I'm screwed. That was quite the fight on the 500. That was fun. There you go, hook popped right out. There he is on the 500. Let's come back. There he goes. I don't even know what this is. Maybe a trout? It's not a jack. What the? Is that a bluefish? I think it is. He's not even big. Let's go. There we go. Nice little snook on the 500 Vanford. Bye-bye. Oh, little snook. Huge snook. Every bit of 8 inches. Doubled up?
Feels good. Oh, it's a rock. It's a rock.
Oh. Oh yeah. That's a pretty decent one for the little 500. Oh, he's not even pointing. Oh, there you go. Dude, he's not big. Oh, there he goes. Quick release. Oh, yeah. Nice.
Oh, Snook. So small.
Oh well. Still Snook.
Oh yeah.
Hold him up.
Dink.
Monster.
Dink.
Nice bass. Dude, that's a good bass. Dude, that's a stud. Dude, I'll take that. There we go. That is a good bass. Ate the little 5-inch Nessie. Probably a, I don't know, solid 4-pounder probably. Let's go, let's get him back. Little Snook, small one, but it's the right species, so we'll take it. Oh, nice. Man, it sounded way bigger when it ate.
Big dog.
Big dog. He's pinned good, I think. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there. There we go, guys. Nice tarpon. Ate the mini mullet. Actually, the murder mullet. And on the Florida Fishing Products 1K. Fun fight. Alright, I'm gonna get him back in the water. Alright, guys, there he is. Nice little, probably 10-pound tarpon. Get him back here. I'm sure he's probably ready. He's ready. Little bass. Saw a whole school of them cruising, and they were all trying to eat it. No one got it. Let's find a snook. Nice fish on the 500. Oh yeah. Nice snook on the 500. That was sick. There it goes. Sick one. largemouth. Smoked 3-inch. See ya. There we go. Snook. Three-inch right there. Oh, nice little snook. Let's see if we can put him right here. Caleb caught a fish.
Smoked it.
Smoked.